Immigration's an interesting area. I find that people often sort of fall into it, which is not unusual. I myself started in immigration because I had a real passion, really, for helping people, and particularly people from other countries, achieve what my own parents achieved. My parents are immigrants, so I was drawn to the field. And I started out with a lot of refugee and asylum work, and it was quite challenging and very rewarding. But I soon found that my skills were more suited to the corporate area, and I loved immigration, so I decided to stick with it. And I knew if I was going to do immigration, I wanted to do it at Fragomen. I wanted to be at the best law firm for this practice area. I studied law at George Washington University in Washington, D.C., which is a very exciting place to study law. Being in the nation's capital is a really fun experience. And when you're studying law there and can visit Congress and can visit the Supreme Court, you have a lot of advantages. I remained in Washington, D.C. for a number of years after law school, about 4 years. I worked with a small immigration practice, a boutique practice, where I had significant exposure to all sorts of different cases, and it was incredibly interesting work. But from there, I wanted to focus on corporate immigration. And so at that point, from Washington, D.C., I decided to move to New York, took the New York bar, and came here in May of 2000. That's when I joined Fragomen. The firm was growing dramatically, and we expanded our reach, and I began to focus on financial service clients during that time. Other types of clients as well, of course, so I've had diverse experience from law firms to mining companies to other sort of professional service organizations, but primarily financial services, and that's how the practice developed. And as our clients grew, through mergers and acquisitions, for example, likewise we grew. And ultimately, I became a partner in January of 2007 and have been happily working on my clients ever since.